First, log in using the reviewer credentials. Once logged in, the dashboard will appear. From the dashboard, click on Regulatory Obligations. You will now see the compliance status dashboard, displayed in a pie chart format. Here, you can view the overall status of tasks, including pending tasks and completed tasks. In the section below, you will find the list of pending tasks assigned for review. Select the relevant task ID to begin reviewing the submission. Next, you will redirect to Task Review tab. In Compliance Reference drop-down, all details will be pre-filled as per tasked. Here you can also find Compliance Reference PDF will open, you can have a glance. In Task Reference drop-down, you can see task name and short task description and also penalty for non-compliance. Due date priority, requires proof of completion of task or not. In the Task Assignment drop-down, you can view the details of the person to whom the task has been assigned. This helps the reviewer quickly identify the task owner and relevant information before proceeding with the review. Reviewers and admins can directly reassign the task to another available person using the drop-down option. However, the owner cannot reassign tasks directly and can only raise a reassignment query. In the Reviewer window drop-down, the review process begins. Here, you can view the task details and documents submitted by the owner. You have 4 options: Interim Approval, Final Approval, Reject, and Raise a Query. Interim Approval is a pre-approval stage. It is not clickable here because the owner did not select the In Progress status and directly marked the task as completed. Final Approval confirms the task has been successfully reviewed. If rejected, the task is sent back to the owner for rework. Please note, email notifications are triggered for any status update, whether approved, rejected, or query raised. Here, I am selecting Final Approval to complete the review. After Final Approval, the task status changes automatically. You can see the updated status in the Completed Tasks tab as well as in the pie chart. Since this is a monthly recurring task, it will appear again in the Pending Tasks section for the next cycle.